Hey guys, in this lecture we are going to see about AWS Key Management Service, which is used to encrypt the data. Okay, so in KMS key we have two types of KMS keys. Okay, one is AWS managed keys, which we can use this AWS managed key to these specific services, which comes alias as AWS and slash the service name. Okay, so this is managed by AWS. So when you create a service, when you choose KMS key for the specific service, that will be chosen from here. Okay, so, and there is a customer managed key. So this key is a custom managed key that we are going to create a key here. So when we create a key, so we can actually create a new key that is available in KMS, or we can import our own key. Okay, let me click create key. Okay, so in encryption key, so you might already know it has two different types of key. Okay, so one is symmetric, one is asymmetric. Okay, symmetric means the single key used to encrypt and decrypt the data, and asymmetric means it will have a public and private key pair like SSH, right? So one is for encryption and one is for decryption. So key usage is encrypt and decrypt. So this is, since this is symmetric, so we are going to use the key to encrypt and decrypt the key. And there is advanced options, KMS, that we are going to create it in a KMS service itself. So if you have external key that you already have it in your local, you can import that key here. Okay, so I'm going to choose KMS recommended, and regionality would be single region key. So single region key means it the key can't be used to decrypt in another region, but if you choose multi region key, you can, it will be synced with the other regions, okay, that you choose with the other region, and you don't have to like share the key to region, and this is mostly used for, I would say, DR, disaster recovery, replicating the data from one region to another region. Okay, so for now I'm going to choose single region key. Click next. You provide alias. You can give a description for this key. Click next. So key administrator, so which role or which user would be as an admin for this key. Okay, so for now we're not going to give specific user or role. Okay, click next. From the key users, okay, these will be added to the key policy. Okay, but I'm not going to choose any user or role. You can also add another AWS account in this, so that it will add it in the key policy, so that different AWS account can use this key. Okay, so I'm not going to add that. Click next. So you can review the key, and so here you can see the key policy. So we didn't select specific users and roles, so it is applicable for all KMS section and all KMS key in this account. Okay, click finish. Yeah, we have created a custom key. Okay, so if you check cryptography configuration, you can see the symmetric and key rotation. So you have option to rotate the key, but you have to enable it. But in AWS managed key, it automatically rotate every 1 year. But for customer managed, you need to enable the automatic key rotation. You can edit and enable, and then provide a retention period from 90 to 2560 days. And you can also rotate on demand. Like if you click rotate now, it will rotate. So and you have maximum of 10 times for on demand key rotation. Okay, and then you can see key rotation history here. Okay, and also you can see the aliases here. I'm going to use this KMS key to encrypt and decrypt one simple text file. Okay, so I'm going to use that in a I have to choose to different region because Hyderabad doesn't have CLI. Okay, so I'm going to use the CLI of Mumbai region. Okay, so I'm going to use AWS KMS CLI. Before that, I'm going to create on a sample file. Okay, add my some text like password. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to encrypt this file using KMS key. Okay, yeah, this is the command is used to encrypt the plain text file. So I have added a file. I need to change this alias. Okay, so my alias name is demo key, right? Demo key. Okay, so what it will do, it will take this sample file.txt and give ciphertext. The region is AP South 1. It's South 2, right? Yeah. And the encrypted file name is with the base 64. Okay. If I list, yeah, and if I do cat on that encrypted file, you can see the file has been encrypted. Okay, so now this file has been encrypted with KMS. Let's try to decrypt without the KMS key. Like, so we have a base 64 command to encode the encrypted file, right? So let me paste that. Okay, so let's, and if we cat that encoded file, so we didn't get the plain text, so which means we need to use the same KMS key to encrypt, decrypt. Okay, so now I'm going to decrypt with the KMS key. Okay, that so whatever I have encoded that file, right, I'm going to use that file and add the region. And yeah, okay, so if I do ls, I can see that sample file decrypted base.a, right? So if I do cat, yeah, we got some text, but even this is encrypted from the KMS key, and then you have to encrypt from local. So if I encode now, okay, and if I do cat on that example file, okay, password 123. So you have to use that KMS key. So this is how KMS key encryption decryption works. Okay, that's it for this lecture, guys. Thank you.